Friends, good day. Welcome to this video review. All right, so yeah, I took the time to come here today to talk to people about taking care of their mind. I mean, having a healthy mind, being a person that is connected with yourselves as well as the universe, it is something phenomenal, right? So I know nowadays lots of people are forgetful, they are unfocused. They're stuck in lives. I mean, you would not believe how many people struggle to get a promotion, how many people struggle, to make money and to just have a life where they don't have to worry about monies, where they don't have to, think about like, okay, tomorrow, how's tomorrow going to be, if you're a person who's sick and tired of always having to be worried because maybe you're not in a really good financial state at this point, or maybe you're a person who you realize that something is lacking, you are stressed out, you're anxious, you're forgetful, I'm here today to talk to you about the Genius Wave, okay? Because people who are using the Genius Wave, they are feeling so much more luckier. They are feeling so much more connected with themselves as well as with the universe. And the Genius Wave is this fantastic way in helping you open up your third eye. It's amazing in helping you basically to attract abundance, attract wealth, basically attract things that maybe right now you are pushing away. And believe me, guys, I'm a person who I've traveled so much already, and I already got to, learn about different cultures, experience different cultures, and every single culture, when it comes to this, about talking about opening your third eye, every single culture talks about this, okay? So below this video, I will be leaving the Genius Waves official webpage link just here, because if you are looking to purchase this program, basically, that is exactly where you need to be going, okay? You can make a safe purchase over there. Everything you need to know is there. And yes, there is a construction going on next door. But guys, everything you need to know about the Genius Wave is directly on their official webpage, including what people are saying, including customer service if you need help. So pop over there afterwards to purchase it, okay? But what's really, really cool is that the Genius Wave is a brain entrainment audio product, and it was developed by neuroscientists and, amid activating the theta brainwave. So basically, the Genius Wave is the 7-minute digital audio track that uses brainwave entrainment technology to help everyone reconnect with themselves, their innate brain power, and genius abilities by stimulating the theta brainwave. So this is, in other words, something that helps you to open up your third eye to attract wealth, attract positivity, attract those things and make them come your way so that your life finally changes its direction, takes a direction that is more positive, that is meant for you, okay? So recent discoveries in neuroscience point to an underutilized region of our brain that may hold the key to enhance cognition and intuition. So thousands of people have already found relief and, a better way out using this thing called the Genius Wave. So it is a program that was developed by MIT trained researchers, and it draws upon principles of brainwave entrainment to gently stimulate this remarkable area of our minds. And what's so interesting about the Genius Wave is that it basically activates the theta brainwave through the process of brainwave entrainment. So it's going to do this by using things as binaural beats and also isochronic tones. And they were put together in the 7-minute audio track that will help you to synchronize and guide your brain's own neural oscillations into the theta frequency range of 4 to 7 hertz. So what's really, really cool though is that, as I was speaking before about cultures, every single culture talks about this, talks about the theta brainwave, about our third eye. And it's funny because we look at cultures nowadays and they are so different, right? But there is always some aspects that are always the same. So since everyone already knows about the theta brainwave, people talk about it because it's real. It's because it works, right? So while listening to the Genius Wave, the brain entrainment technology works as a conscious awareness to stimulate the theta wave production across various interconnected regions of the brain, like the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. Basically, guys, the effect is that several areas of the brain activate simultaneously, increasing cognitive function and one's ability to tap into innate genius abilities linked to the theta state. So it is so amazing how it works. And the benefits of activating the theta brainwave studies referenced on the product site show that activating the theta wave through the genius wave provides things like heightened intuition and problem-solving abilities, where insights effortlessly come to the users, and also it increases your focus and your flow states, allowing one to basically learn new skills and take in information much more quickly. It helps you to enhance your memory formation and recall both new and old memories. It gives you that feeling of luck, that feeling where you feel like you're in power. So it is amazing the way the Genius Waves works. And guys, all it takes is for you to listen to these audio files every single morning through about 7 minutes. And it is best to be listening to them in the morning, because when you wake up in the morning, that is when your mind is its best. It's the freshest, right? So it takes in information so much more easily. Believe me, the minute someone already talks to you in your office, you're already pissed off, right? So by doing this every single morning, it will be so much more easier to activate your theta brainwave. It will be so much more easier to take in. So it's really cool if you actually listen to it in bed. The minute you wake up, you listen to it, or while you're having your breakfast, or when you're on your way to work. So doing this every single morning for only 7 minutes, you can be changing your whole lives around. Maybe you're just going one path, and maybe this path is actually on a rocky road. You can change into a smoother path that makes things come your way with much intensity, with much more easier as well. So that is why today the Genius Wave is something that is just helping out so many people. And what's really incredible is that not just one single culture talks about it. Every single culture talks about it. And when something is this famous, when something is this much used, it's because it really works, right? So what I truly find amazing is actually the feedbacks people give about the Genius Wave. This program has been able to change the lives of so many people who struggled in the past, people who believed that there was absolutely nothing for them, but, just hard days of work and counting their monies and choosing what bill they're going to pay first, to changing their lives, to being a person who doesn't care about money that much anymore, a person who's truly happy, a person who can give their families whatever they want and need. So this is a fantastic way for you to also reconnect with yourselves. Maybe you're feeling lost. Maybe you're feeling confused. This is going to help you to clear your mind and just basically become a person who is much more serious, who's much more responsible, who is much more in tone with themselves, Now, what's truly interesting about the Genius Wave as well is that the manufacturers are people who are so kind to offer you a money-back guarantee. Let's say maybe you did purchase the Genius Wave, but you end up not liking it for, whichever personal reasons, right? What you basically can do is just turn back to their official webpage. You're going to contact customer service, and they are really kind enough to help you with a money-back guarantee. So, what have you to lose? If you're seeking for a way out, if you want to become a person who's much more wealthier, who attracts positivity and only great energy for yourselves, then I think you should definitely give the Genius Wave a shot, just like so many people already are, okay? It's only 7 minutes every morning, guys. Pop over to their official webpage right now to learn more and hopefully give it a shot, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.